Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Pisces. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So, if you want more clarity, that reading may answer some questions or clear some doubts in your circumstances. So, you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have Alchemist of Spheres in reverse, Three of Suns and Three of Spheres. So, Pisces, in your circumstances, maybe in your work situation or maybe in your relationship, you are determined about something. You have a strong willpower and you have people helping you and guiding you, supporting your dreams and vision, who is helping you towards your future. So they have similar dreams like you. They are helping you in your activities. They share your vision and they are here to support you, cooperate with you. These may be people from your work, friends or family members who are truthfully concerned about your welfare. That is the reason they go out of the way being friendly, being kind and helpful. And today you will also have people who admire you. So it may be your energy in your relationship. Maybe this person admires you. They feel really happy to have known you because they see you as a very experienced, skillful person, knowledgeable person, and they see you as a very good person and they love you for the way you are, for the way you are. They feel a deep attraction towards you, attraction towards your beauty, attraction towards your charm, your handsomeness, and they feel that you are having a good reputation among your friends or among the people you work with, and they simply love the way you are. And today this person you love may be someone who is helping you with some wise decisions. It may be wise decisions in your career or maybe some decision about this relationship. So you both are thinking about something, making a choice, making a decision for your future. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Devil. So you are thinking about something again and again. Maybe you are planning something, you are obsessed over something, some decisions. Maybe it may be about this love. Maybe you are thinking of getting engaged or married to this person, or it may be some obsession you have, some habits you have. but you are not thinking about this person you love. So maybe if you truly love this person, you must think of this situation, think of their situation also before making any important decisions. So Pisces, you need to think whether this engagement or marriage is what this person wants, or that is what you want truthfully. So maybe you want this relationship, maybe because you may feel that this is the connection you want, but this person may have some ideas. So open communication is going to help you. Maybe you are making this decision out of fear or anxiety that you will lose them, but you need to be really clear about the choice. So you may have a lot of fears about the future of this love. So you must think deeply. So let us see what is the card for your work circumstance. We have one card, Magician. So you feel very much cheerful, intuitively guided in your career. So you may see a lot of opportunities opening for you in your work circumstances, but you must make the choice that you feel is right. Deep down you may have some intuition telling you you must go for those choices. That is going to help you today, Pisces. So that is the energy with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming right now, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here today. So this is the first card and this is your second card. You can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, I will keep this second card aside. We will see what is the first card. For those who chose this card, it is the poisoned apple, jealousy. So it means that in your circumstances, you are the target of jealousy. There are people against you, people who are very much jealous of you, and their intentions are not good. Maybe they are trying to tempt you with some offers in your life, tempting you into some difficult circumstance. And maybe these offers may look like something beautiful, something amazing, but if you fall for your temptation, you are going to face many difficulties. But even if you have fallen for some temptation today, you need not fear these circumstances. Because this experience is going to help you. It is going to give you more knowledge. It is going to give you wisdom. And the pain you will go through today in this situation because you have fallen for this temptation is going to lead you into a beautiful journey where you are going to grow emotionally, you are going to grow spiritually, and you will be able to see your circumstances with more clarity, with more knowledge. So you need not feel sad or stressed, though you are fallen for this temptation, or you have fallen for this temptation. And you will succeed. You will come out much better person tomorrow, much better person in your life. But you need to believe in yourself, and maybe present circumstances are not good, but still you are going to see beautiful changes very soon, starting from now. So that is the energy here with this card. So let us see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have Seriphos green quartz. This is a very beautiful and a rare quartz, guys. And with this quartz, the energy is that maybe you are pushing yourself to achieve something, pushing yourself to see some changes in your life. But today you are left with no desire to march on towards your expectations, but ready to accept what is coming towards you in your life, what is coming towards you in your circumstances. So this moment should be experienced just as it is, because this moment is going to bring clarity in your relationship. So being honest with certain things you can change, and certain things where you are powerless to change, you need to accept it as it is. When you do that, it is a big step taking you towards what you desire and what you deserve. So be present. If you are feeling sad, let it be. Experience that pain, go through all that, whatever comes in your life, because you are in for something bigger. Some bigger picture is unfolding in your life, and this picture is something you never imagined and you can never imagine. So universe is coming with a blessing towards you. Maybe you are going through a lot of pain today, but this situation is absolutely necessary for what is coming in your life in your future. So that is the energy here. So there is no need or no use to change your present circumstance. So that is the energy here with this card for y'all today. That is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.